morning to all traders and welcome to another daily market insights video provided to you by Orbex. Today is Tuesday, the 6th of August, and markets keep continuing with risk of mood as China announced now its retaliation move. One, of course, is, as everybody is talking about, is the weakening of yuan, and the other one is the halting of the purchase of U.S. agricultural products. While the US dollar is weakening, euro is receiving some good flows. Pound, on the other side, remains still a little bit uncertain because fears around a hard Brexit remain very, very probable. Now, on the other side, all safe havens keep moving to the upside, and that supports downside move to the dollar-yen. And also, they are supported not only from trade war escalation, but as well as from dovish banks. The latest one was yesterday, the RBA. Although they left interest rate unchanged, Governor Philip Lowe reiterated that the risks remain to the downside. So apart from that, obviously, today we have German factory orders and the GDP price index in New Zealand and the jobs opening in the US. Later, of course, the FOMC member bullet speech. Now, going to the charts quickly, we have quite a lot of touch to look at today. Euro-dollar daily chart. Okay, we are most likely seeing the end of wave 5 down here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5, most likely, right? Now, that could be a false break, and prices after bouncing down to the 61.8 extension of this wave, okay, and then they will start reversing, moving all the way up to 118 or so. Now that's one scenario, right? Of course, the second one would be that we'll receive a false break up here, right, and then prices will move lower for wave 5. That will take most likely prices, if we break above that level, to 10935 and then 10832, which is the 78th extension of this first wave we just spoke about. Now, on the 60 minutes, we'll look bullish. Okay, so we broke above that level. Now we're looking to retest and most likely move to the upside, as long as, of course, we remain outside and above this descending channel. Dollar-yen daily. Dollar-yen daily moved exactly as we expected. Okay, so we'll expect wave 1 and wave 2 down here, right? So 1 and 2. Following this low, now we could see prices even, this is the flash crash row of 2019. We can see prices going all the way back there. What we need to do now, what we're expecting for after this correction, it's another move to the downside, the last wave, wave 5. On the 4-hour chart, as you see, we have this move with a nice XY correction for wave 4 and wave 5. It's either ended down here, which might be a little bit hard to be honest, or we might see the wave 5 unrolling out as another wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with prices going below near 104 or so. Pound dollar moved exactly as we expected as well. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 5 can be at the support around 1.1996 or even the low, the flash crash row at around 11850 or so. But I doubt that would be the case because I still see this as a 1, 2 in the long term, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we don't want that to be to end up as a flat down here. So now pound, we've had this move to the last move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, could have ended here, could go a little bit lower to the 119.57, I suppose, and this is where I'm leaning towards too. I don't think the prices are going to move below that level until at least October 31st, okay, because we have more developments around Brexit and what's happening. Now, within the last 4-hour chart, we see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves. So we either expect an ABC here, which is most likely to end with wave C around near the descending trend line, this channel, and then move lower for wave 5, or we're going to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a move that will break above that level. The thing is that it's most likely to end as an ABC because this move doesn't really look impulsive at all. Okay, at least for now. And now, of course, down on the Aussie with dollar. I was expecting prices actually to stop here and then break above that level. It didn't happen. We seem to have another move to the downside, which to me looks like now that is a very good level to start looking for buys. It's a double bottom around the flash crash low. So we've got this combination here with ABC, okay, with C wave ending around, 1 second, there we go, ending around the 67.34. So if you ask me if there is more room to the downside, I would tell you yes, although I'll see a very good signal on the RSI, okay? So we might see some extension up to around 68, then another move to the downside near the extension of 61.8 extension of this wave. That will start probably taking prices to the upside, okay? Now, this is a little impulsive, which I don't like. So we could see prices moving up here even, and then move lower to meet these trend line, okay, even below the 67 cents. Considering, of course, the trade wars continue adding pressures to the Chinese currency and also to Aussie and Kiwi and other pairs and instruments, of course. So thank you for being for watching for another day. I want to thank you for visiting also our blog. We have seen a very good increase in numbers, and I'm very happy to see that our articles and technical analysis support your journey as a trader.